on the ice tonight. Hurricanes and Maple Leafs, both teams playing really good hockey of late. Leafs down 1-0. William Nylander deflects off him from Mitch Marner. Austin Matthews is credited with the goal. Is he one of your new best friends, Steve? You're a big hockey guy now.
I'm a big hockey guy.
Are they big guys for you?
Yeah.
No. Matthews has his 6th straight 30-goal season to start his career. Alexander Ovechkin, the last guy to do that. Matthews here again. 11-11 games. The Leafs up 2-1 heading into the third. Less than a minute left in the third, tied at 3. Matthews gets tangled up with Nino Niederreiter hard into the boards. Seemed like he might have got hit in the back of the head by a Canes player, down for a bit, would not return. We're in overtime in this 3-3 game. Mad scramble out in front. Marner finally able to bury a rebound. Second of the night. His goal streak's 8. And it's a 4-3 win in overtime for Toronto over Carolina.